Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to replace your bonnet struts. This is actually really easy to do, so let's get into it. Now why would you want to do that? If your bonnet keeps falling down, you need to replace the struts. That's what I'll be showing you in this video. So first step, open the bonnet. Now how annoying is it when you're trying to work on your car and the bonnet won't just stay up? Now since the bonnet struts can't keep it open, we have to use something else to hold it up. Something like this metal pole should just be fine. Now once you've got the bonnet open, find somewhere to put the pole to keep it up. So I've got the bottom of the pipe and this metal support down here, and the top of it's just going into this little hole in the bonnet. So let's replace those gas struts. All you need is a trusty screwdriver. You'll also need these Torx bits, or if you're really desperate you can do it all with the screwdriver. Now at the top of the gas strut you'll notice this little clip. This little clip has to be removed with a screwdriver. So all you have to do is just stick a screwdriver up here, work it up a little bit, and it should come off. Now this is a really old and worn out one, so that was fairly easy. Usually they're a little bit more stubborn. Now when removing the bottom part of the gas strut, you'll see there's two Torx bolts holding it in. This is why you need a Torx bit to get that bolt out. You can use a flathead screwdriver to get it out, but a Torx bit works much better. So let's get to removing them. Okay, now the first one's removed, let's move to the second. It'll be the exact same process as before. Remove this little clip up, and we undo these two bolts here. Okay, now that both bonnet struts have been removed, we can begin installing the new ones. Now before you bolt the new one in, make sure the side with the flat disc is facing inwards and the small metal bit facing outwards. So now we just screw these back in. Okay, now that bottom part's been bolted in, we can work on the top. Now all we have to do is push this onto the little ball and then clamp this little clip down. And make sure this little clip is in its correct place. Now when it's in its correct place, it'll sit in the little groove there, and you shouldn't be able to pull it off. This doesn't pull off, so I know it's in the correct spot. Well, that's one side done. Let's do the next. Now remember, just like last time, this circle bit faces inwards. Screw in the bottom part, then push this little top bit on, and the clip comes down. Quick pull to make sure it's not going to fall off, and just like that, she's fixed. And that's how easy it is to replace your gas struts. I hope you enjoyed the video, learned something new, and now you should never have to deal with a bonnet falling on you ever again. Please consider liking and subscribing.